up, everybody? Welcome back to Valvetronic Designs, and today we have a very special vehicle. We have the 2022 Dodge Charger Hellcat. Now, we've been asked for so long to bring a full exhaust to market for this car. We've always sent people the way of our universal mufflers, which I'll throw a clip right here, which sounded incredible. But now we brought our full Scat Pack exhaust system to market. And we're gonna show you guys what it looks like, show you guys what it sounds like, show you guys all the sound characteristics, startup, revs, flybys, car installations. We're gonna put a GoPro on the rear bumper, and you're gonna get the pleasure of hanging out with Nate and I on the interior to show you guys just how crazy this Charger sounds now with our full valved Scat Pack exhaust. All right, we're gonna go head over to the airstrip and show you guys what this thing sounds like. Valves are closed right now. You still get a little bit of a rumble inside the car. Open them up, audibly hear the difference. It's awesome. All right, let's get to it. So also, another thing about this exhaust is it is actually 3-inch all the way back in comparison to the 2.5, I believe it is, on the factory exhaust, which just had a muffler delete. So a lot more flow, delivering that like throaty V8 American sound that you really do want when you get one of these Hellcats. So what's really fun right now too is that you hear all the exhaust drama out back. Then if we're to close the valves, now all you get is that supercharger whine up front. So we get supercharger, and then so you get to pick which one you really want more. We're coming up on the buildings, you guys know. I'm gonna drop the windows a little bit. We got oil temperature. Don't kill me, Austin. It's so much louder from before too. That 3-inch piping. The downshifts, wow. Close the valves up. I can whisper to you. We're driving a Hellcat, straight pipes, Cornerstone delete pipes, fully free flow. I don't think it gets better than this. and you could just drive this car around like it was just any other normal stock Hellcat. But that is boring. And audibly, yeah, that's just crazy. It's so loud. I love the little braps on the shifts too. It reminds me of a BMW. I know it is a ZF8 speed in this car, but you know, it just makes it so much fun to drive the car around normally, like not at crazy speeds when you get that like a little on the shifts. Fun, right?
Yeah.
It is amped. You hear that echo?
Oh yeah. It's nuts.
Should have done this earlier.
Yeah.
That sounds really good. Like I'm doing the speed limit right now. I could just, I mean, dude. And then you take it and you close the valves. Back to bone stock. That is crazy. Listen to this. Stock Hellcat. Open the valves. Alrighty, you guys asked for it and we delivered. This honestly was such a great experience driving this car. I mean, you guys heard on those downshifts, it was just, like it sounded so cool. You guys have asked for the longest time for us to bring a full exhaust for the Hellcat Challenger and Charger platforms, and we finally delivered, as well as your 392 Scat Packs. So we really did deliver for all of the different Charger and Challenger platforms. But yeah, hopefully you guys did enjoy. If you guys want to see more videos with this car, it is our new Shop Hellcat. Please go leave a comment down below, and also leave a like, subscribe, and stay tuned for our next American Muscle project where we have something with the same cylinders but a little bit more classic. Stay tuned.